Okay, good morning, everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. So once again, thank you for joining me in this section over here. And again, quick disclaimer before it starts. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning over here, make sure your own trading plan. If not, get advice from professional. All right. So if you're here with me, if you got any stock that you want me to take a look, comments below over there. Okay, help me to click the like button, help me to share this out. Well, we're gonna start with overall FMKs. Yeah, today I think is gold day lah. Only gold is making some movement. Almas, yes, Tome, Pokon also have a little bit of gap up, and the volume yesterday is pretty nice. Okay, so probably we'll take a look into that later on. Again, going back to FMKs, I think if you have been following us for back to a few weeks ago, I think so far my so-called my view on the overall FBM KLCI still the same. Okay, so 1500 is a tough resistance to break. Okay, so we have been trying for a few days already. 2 days to be exact. Okay, so yesterday also I was watching it. There was around 1500, but cannot break or maybe follow through. And today, yes, we are a little bit gap down FBI KLCI. So while do expect markets to remain like this, okay, like I say, the few weeks of a rebound is just temporary of technical rebound. It doesn't mean that it will show some bullish momentum. So that's why, like I said, I don't really invest all my or maybe put all my capital into the markets right now. I still a bit defensive overall. All right, Cellcom I also exit everything already because yesterday tried to break up, but in the end it didn't. So small profit, I think it's okay. Now currently it's only holding Opstar and Hata, but Opstar this morning a bit disappointing that they try to go lower than support, but hopefully they will stay above support. So this is something that probably I will go on to monitor for today. Okay, so let's say FMKLCI is not super bullish. So those that who are looking for short-term opportunity, you please do bear in mind on this chart here. Okay, so but against the individual stock you also need to look into because sometimes stocks indices is just looking the over directions. Okay, but for me, of course, I'll look into it lah. Right, we cannot really predict 1,000 stock. I pick the best 10 or 20 stock. Okay, it's very difficult. So I have to have a little bit of edge by looking into the overall in this chart. So okay, now everything is in red. Okay lah, everything is so red today. Like I say, it's another boring day. Okay, it's not a boring day. KLCI potentially might do a inverse pullback, so be extra careful. Right now, let's look into some of the stocks that we do talk about. Okay, these few days. If you got any stocks, you just let me know as well. So like I say, Cellcom yesterday eventually cannot really break 230, so I just exit everything already. Okay, small profit small profit. I actually partially twice, so it's okay. At least I think got like 5% like this. I think it's okay. Now, like I said, Opstar a bit disappointing this morning. Actually dropped a little bit further. Okay, but okay, luckily it tried to goes back up, right? So far so good Against here is the latest strength signal if you notice. So here will be my support. So this candle here should hold well. Okay, this candle here should hold well. So this is the strength signal actually I'm looking into. If they fail and break below, then I'm going to cut and exit. But so far looks good right now. Okay, but of course now is the first 30 minutes of the day. Right, I'm not sure whether it will kind of hold throughout the days or not. But so far so good. Okay, for Opstar. Now let's look into Hata, stocks that actually we do. I'm actually looking into. In fact, I'm still holding. So again, a bit of gap down today, but still above support. All right, so I think it's still fine for me. Okay, I'm going to hold until it actually break below support. All right, now let's look into some gold counters since today is only gold counter is moving. Okay, the rest is didn't really move much. Okay, now it's already 80 cents. Actually, I got some. Okay, to see whether I got chance to or got some luck to enter a bit on it. Okay, 80 cents. Okay, volume so far is great. Now this one I have to use hourly chart because today started to show momentum. So okay, nice. We got a couple of COC to the gap up. So hopefully they will remain above the gaps. Okay, above 80 cents, closing above 80 cents would be nice. Okay, so far volume definitely is good. right? Hopefully this first trading hour, they will close about 80 cents. Then later on, probably will show a little bit of pullback might form around somewhere this area here. Okay, so there's our mask. Do let me know any other counters that we look into. If not, probably just end our session this morning. Okay, so again, a boring a boring day. Okay, so as usual. Okay, but again, it's a good market for you to stay focused. Um, to see what is the stocks that probably are in next. Okay, but just don't straight away enter everything. Like KRSC is not in a very good conditions right now. So okay, now this is Bokong. Looks like they are doing a big shakeout. Hopefully today. Okay, yesterday they tried resistance. Today gap up a little bit. Hopefully they remain 1.10. Okay, so let's say above 1.10. All right, so maybe you got chance to test 1.20. All right. Yes, I haven't entered yet, but I want to see whether today can close for 1.1 or not. Right. So it looks like this is doing a big shakeout. Okay, for Pokon. Okay, next last one is Tomei. Okay, like I said, do let me know any stocks that you want to look into. I don't have much today. Pokon Tomei basically is the same. Okay, they are almost the same. They're also doing shakeout, testing this kind of line of resistance over here yesterday. Stop exactly at the resistance level. Okay, so today let's see whether they can. Actually, they stay slightly above. Staying 1.8 is a good area. So potentially they can retest this area again, 2.1. Right? So kind of similar with Pokemon. Both of them move very, very similar. Trying to do shakeout, pushing back to the reaccumulations zone or range. Okay. Any stocks that I may look into? Okay, boring market lah. I also don't know what to share lah. Okay, if nothing to trade, just be patient. It's okay. Keep a little bit of cash with you. Okay, today I try a bit of Almas at 80. I'm not sure whether I get ready or not. If get, I think it's okay. This one got volume lah. Okay, this one got volume. Maybe technical rebound. Doing technical rebound right now. MST got also yesterday got volume. Okay, today also got a bit of volume. KGW got volume or not? Okay, nothing much. So KSL, let's try KSL. Nothing to trade also. Okay, this one's still downtrend Don't enter yet Usually still downtrend one, I'll be more worried. Okay, nowadays I trade mostly is reversal or maybe shakeout complete. Okay, two more shakeout complete that I can recall is P metal. Three more actually. P metal. Holding bar or not? Yeah, drop below again. Right. So okay, now MBSB, but still both to monitor because today volume is low. So shakeout, drop below support, volume is okay, but sometimes it will drag a little bit. Okay, MBSB also okay. The other one is MIG. Actually, I'm more interested in MIG because like I said on the China AI project, okay, they're having right now. Okay, still good. Above 90 cents, good. Okay, so if let's say there's no question, once again, thank you for joining me this morning over here. Yes, it's a boring market, right? So if you don't have any so-called trade setups, be more patient. I think it's good if you got some cash in your portfolio right now. Well, we just guess if you want to trade in both sides, just going to wait for somehow a better opportunity. Okay, well, hopefully you will see that very, very soon. So this once again, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow.